Join me as I dive into the most massive tornado ever recorded and see if I can uncover just how powerful it really was. What if I told you that the largest tornado in history was over 2.5 miles wide, wider than the entire city of downtown Los Angeles? Tornadoes are among the most awe-inspiring and terrifying forces on Earth. These swirling monsters can tear through homes, flip cars, and change entire landscapes within minutes. But one tornado in particular stands out, the largest ever recorded in human history. Every year, thousands of tornadoes strike across the globe. Most are small and short-lived, but when conditions are just right, they can grow into something beyond imagination. These storms don't just destroy buildings, they destroy lives. Families lose everything in seconds, and communities are left to face unimaginable devastation. Scientists and meteorologists have spent decades trying to understand how such immense power can form from mere wind. A tornado forms when warm, moist air near the ground meets cool, dry air above it. When these air masses collide, the atmosphere becomes unstable. Add strong wind shear, a change in wind direction and speed, and suddenly you get a rotating column of air. Once that column stretches down and touches the ground, a tornado is born. Some last seconds, others for hours. On May 3, 1999, in the state of Oklahoma, the atmosphere set the perfect stage for disaster. The air was hot and humid near the surface, while colder air swept in from the Rockies. Storm chasers noticed an enormous supercell forming, a thunderstorm so powerful it could generate multiple tornadoes. And then, the unimaginable happened. A massive EF5 tornado touched down near Oklahoma City. It grew rapidly, stretching to 4.2 kilometers or 2.6 miles wide, the largest tornado ever recorded on Earth. Imagine a wall of swirling darkness wider than 40 football fields, tearing across the landscape at nearly 500 kilometers per hour. Nothing could stop it.
I still can't believe it. 1 minute the house was there, the next it was just gone. We were lucky, very lucky.
When I saw the destruction, I didn't think we could come back from this. But seeing everyone help, it gives me hope. We'll get through this.
We lost everything.
But thank God we're still alive.
I still can't believe we made it out. One minute the house was there, the next it was just gone. We were lucky, so many others weren't.
The tornado ripped through towns like Bridge Creek and more, leaving nothing but rubble behind. 36 people lost their lives, and more than 500 were injured. Survivors described the sound as a never-ending freight train, louder than anything they had ever heard. One resident said, "It was like the world was ending." Entire neighborhoods were flattened, homes reduced to splinters, vehicles hurled hundreds of meters away. But even in the darkest moments, humanity shone through. Neighbors rescued neighbors. Families who lost everything found hope in each other. The people of Oklahoma rebuilt, stronger, together. Meteorologists later confirmed the tornado reached EF5 intensity. The maximum on the enhanced Fujita scale. Winds were estimated at over 500 kilometers per hour. To put that in perspective, strong enough to rip asphalt off roads and fling steel beams like twigs. The 1999 Oklahoma tornado wasn't just massive in width, it was a breakthrough for weather science. It helped refine radar technology, early warning systems, and storm prediction models. Because of that data, thousands of lives have been saved in later storms. For the survivors, the scars remain. Both physical and emotional. Yet their resilience tells a powerful story, that even against nature's fury, humanity endures. The Oklahoma tornado became a symbol of both devastation and strength. It reminded the world that preparation, awareness, and community are our best defenses. From chaos comes understanding. The biggest tornado ever recorded showed us that even the most destructive forces can teach us something. About science, about resilience, and about ourselves. Nature's power is unstoppable, but knowledge gives us the strength to survive it. Have you ever witnessed a tornado or extreme weather event? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And if you're fascinated by the power of nature, check out my other videos on extreme weather. Stay safe, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.